back to Saving Made Easy. I hope you guys are having a great week so far and are ready to score some incredible savings at Dollar General. Unfortunately, we didn't end up having a super clearance sale at DG last weekend. It was mostly just swim stuff from the summertime, and so I didn't feel like a whole video was necessary like I thought there would be, but I'm keeping my eyes peeled for that coming up soon. So you know me, I've got some all digital couponing deals for you guys, including a ridiculously good deal on some Gain products, so stick around to the end of the video for that. Okay, enough talk, let's get to those deals. Okay, for transaction number one, we're going to start by picking up one package of the Scott toilet paper. These are $3.35, and we have $1 off digital coupon that we're going to use on that, making it just $2.35. So nice deal on some cheap toilet paper. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Crest with Scope toothpaste. These can usually be found in the dollar section, and these are 2.7 ounces. They're $1 a piece, and we have a $2 off digital coupon on that, making it a $1 moneymaker, so a little bit of overage to add to your transaction. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Febreze small spaces. These are $3.25, so they've definitely gone up in price. But we do have a $2.30 digital coupon, so that's going to make for, a good amount of savings there. We're also going to pick up two of the Tresemme hair masks. I love these. I love this when this deal comes around. These are $2 a piece, so $4 for both, and we have a $3 off of two Tresemme products coupon that works on these masks, so you're going to get them both for just $1, so 50 cents a piece, and I love them. They make your hair super soft. Next, we're going to pick up one of the Microban cleaning sprays. These are $2.90, and we have $1 off digital coupon, making it just $1.90, but you want to make sure you're getting this kind that has the orange label. That's the one that's $2.90 on clearance. The green label is still the full price. Next, you're going to pick up two of the Suddenly Salad Betty Crocker pasta salad mixes. These are going to be $5.50 for both packages, but they are on sale this week. Buy one, get one free. Last but not least, we're going to actually pick up two of the Comfort Bay Super Value bed pillows. These are $3 a piece, so $6 for both, but these are also on sale. Buy one, get one free this week. This is a great time to stock up on some pillows if you need some for like the kids' room or something like that. Now, there are other types of the Comfort Bay pillows that are more expensive, but the best value is getting these $3 a piece pillows and getting one of them for free. And you're going to make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped. If you're new, remember that this is only to be used on Saturdays. So these deals can be done this coming Saturday, August 27th. They do this, Dollar General does this once a week. So you can, check out our videos for these deals ahead of time and then go in on Saturday with what you want to do. So your subtotal for this first transaction is going to come to $26 even. And after all of those coupons come off, including your 5 off of 25 at the register, your out-of-pocket cost is going to be just $5.95 for 10 items or 60 cents each, and that is crazy. And I don't know about you guys, but our kiddos are starting school pretty late this year, not until after Labor Day. When they do, I'm going to be buckling down and really churning out the couponing and savings content for you guys. So with that in mind, what would you like to see more of from this channel? More budgeting and savings content, couponing, how-to at other grocery stores, more haul videos. What would you really like to see? Saving Made Easy is all about helping you guys in whatever way you need. So leave your answer in the comments down below. Okay, so for transaction number 2, we're going to start by picking up one of the 9 Lives dry cat food for $1.25. You guys, if you've been watching me for a while, know that my stores have been out of this for so long, but we do have that $1 off digital coupon still. That's good until September 30th, so that's just going to make it 25 cents. And if you don't have a cat, stock up and donate to your local animal shelter. I'm sure they would really appreciate it, but it's going to get you some savings on this deal. So Pick up a package of the Scott paper towels, which will be on sale for $3 this week, and use the 50-cent digital coupon in your account on those. Again, we're going to do that Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 and use the $2 off digital coupon on that. You're also going to pick up 2 more of the Crest with Scope toothpaste. I know. They are $1 a piece, like I said, but you also have a $3 off of 2 Crest coupon in addition to that single Crest coupon. So that's going to make for a lot more savings on this deal. And if you didn't want to do the hair masks, you could do 2 Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. These are $5 a piece, so $10 for both. And you have $3 that's going to come off in the form of that digital coupon. And you also have $3 of instant savings for spending on Tresemme. So remember, when you are purchasing stuff and assuming instant savings, that's going to come off first when you go to the cash register. So just remember to spend above $25, whatever that instant savings amount is. So for example, this is $3, so we'll need to spend $28 at least during our transaction. I promise it's not as complicated as it sounds. You're also going to pick up one of the Microban cleaning sprays, again, $2.90, and use the $1 off digital coupon on that. And last but not least, you can pick up 2 of these Airwick scented oil warmer packages for $3.65 each, and use the $3 off of 2 digital coupons, so kind of close to half off on the scented oil warmers. Make sure you pick up a $1 product from anywhere in the store just to get you over that $28 threshold that we need to hit for that instant savings to come off. And make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped. Your subtotal for this transaction is going to come to $28.45, and your out-of-pocket cost after all those coupons, your instant savings, and your 5 off of 25 come off is going to be just $6.95 plus tax for 11 items, or 63 cents each. Pro tip, remember that when you're building your deals for Saturday, you should always check for extra savings in rebate apps like Ibotta and Fetch. Rebates can be used in addition to coupons and can really help you stack up the savings. Even just scanning your receipt with Fetch can sometimes help earn you a few extra points. If you don't have a Fetch or Ibotta account, you can use these codes to sign up and help support the work that I do at the same time. Win-win. Last but not least, we're going to do this gain transaction. You can start by picking up one of the gain sheets for $7.50, and you're going to use this coupon that says it works on both bounce and gain sheets for $2.50. We are also going to pick up a bottle of the Gain fabric softener for $7.50. Again, the coupon says it works on Gain or Downy, and it is $2.50 off of that as well. Last but not least, for the Gain products, we're going to pick up one of the Gain 24 count of flings for $7.50, and we've got a $2 digital coupon off of that. We're going to pick up one of the Crest with Scope if you haven't used that coupon yet, if you'd rather use it on this transaction. Or if you have multiple accounts, you can do it that way too. And then 2 more of the Crest with Scope for the $3 off of 2 coupon. So 3 in total Crest with Scope, and we're going to use those 2 coupons on them. And you're also going to want to make sure you have your 5 off of 20 Gain digital coupon clipped, as well as your 5 off of 25 digital coupon. And your subtotal for this transaction is going to come to $25.50. Now, we spent at least $20 on Gain, which is what we needed to do, and we spent the rest of that $5 on Crest, hopefully making most of that part free. And after all those coupons come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $3.50 plus tax for 3 big old game products, and that is a win in my book. Thanks for shopping these deals with me, and don't forget that I post other deals, hauls, finds, and more over on TikTok as well. And if you haven't joined our savings gang yet, then I definitely suggest doing so. Bop the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss those big savings opportunities, and go ahead and throw us a thumbs up. Why not? Have a good one, y'all.